case, the worst for last. We took the 14 C-bombs from earlier in this video, combined them into one mega C-bomb, and it's currently on an RC boat heading directly to blow up your yacht. This explosion is going to be massive. All right, there she goes. There she goes. Whoa. That was crazy.
Dude!
Let's go see if it's
Let's go check it out. Let's go see my yacht!
Look at everything his yacht endured. I've done a lot of weird things. I've never experienced something like this before.
You didn't say it had to be pretty.
And after all of that, your yacht is still floating.